about the feelings and emotions inside that fills and empties me like a fast rolling tide. There are moments of pain, of sorrow and hate, leaving me to ponder many hours of late. I love you, honey, it's your presence I miss, and I terribly long for that one last kiss. But the greatest pain of all, and that hurts me so deep, is after giving you my love, I can't have yours to keep. To have you by my side, always longing for more, and have you feel the same, to mutually adore. You see, my love, I have given you my heart and revealed the depths of my soul. And now I am left feeling hopelessly empty, paying this immeasurable toll. It's selfish, I know, to feel this way, but it's how I feel each and every day. Always hoping and praying for the next time we meet, for you to allow me once again to feel complete. And rest assured, I will see you again, for it's not a question of if, but a question